If your crypto is sitting on an exchange right now, there's a good chance you don't actually control it as much as you think. Let me ask you a quick question. If the platform you're using suddenly restricted withdrawals, froze accounts, or experienced technical issues, would you still have direct access to your crypto? For many people, the answer is no. That's because millions of crypto users leave their assets on exchanges without fully understanding the risks or the alternatives available to them. And that's where non-custodial wallets come in. In this video, we're going to take an honest look at RockWallet and find out whether it really deserves a place in your crypto toolkit. I'll explain exactly what a non-custodial wallet is, why so many experienced crypto users prefer them, and how RockWallet works behind the scenes. We'll also cover its biggest advantages, its potential drawbacks, who it's best suited for, and whether it's actually worth using. And near the end of the video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process step by step, so you can see exactly how to get started and use the wallet yourself. So if you're thinking about taking full control of your crypto, instead of relying entirely on an exchange, keep watching, because this is everything you need to know about RockWallet. Before we take a closer look at RockWallet, it's important to understand what a non-custodial wallet actually is and why it matters. When it comes to storing cryptocurrency, there are two main options: custodial wallets and non-custodial wallets. The biggest difference is simple: who controls your private keys? With a custodial wallet, like the ones provided by many crypto exchanges, the company holds your private keys on your behalf. That makes getting started easy, since you can usually recover your account if you forget your password, but it also means you're trusting that company to safeguard your crypto and provide access to it. A non-custodial wallet works differently. Instead of a company controlling your private keys, you control them. That means you're the only person who can authorize transactions and access your funds. The wallet provider gives you the tools to interact with the blockchain, but it never takes custody of your crypto. A simple way to think about it is this: imagine your wallet is a safe. Your private key is the master key that unlocks it, while your recovery phrase is the backup master key. If you ever lose your phone or need to restore your wallet on a new device, that recovery phrase is what gives you access again. That's why protecting your recovery phrase is so important. Avoid taking screenshots or storing it in cloud storage, because if someone gets hold of it, they could restore your wallet and access your funds. Instead, write it down and keep it somewhere secure offline. Of course, with that extra control comes extra responsibility. If you lose your recovery phrase and no longer have access to your wallet, there's no support team that can recover your crypto for you. So, the biggest takeaway is this: with a custodial wallet, a company controls access to your crypto. With a non-custodial wallet, ownership shifts entirely to you, giving you complete control over your digital assets. Now that you know what a non-custodial wallet is, let's talk about RockWallet itself and see what it brings to the table. RockWallet is a mobile-first, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed to make buying, storing, and managing crypto as simple as possible. Unlike custodial platforms, RockWallet never holds your private keys or takes custody of your funds. Your wallet and your keys remain under your control, while the app provides an easy way to interact with your crypto. One of the things that makes RockWallet stand out is its focus on beginners. If you're new to cryptocurrency, the app is designed to remove much of the complexity that often comes with crypto wallets. Instead of overwhelming you with advanced trading tools or complicated interfaces, it focuses on giving you a clean and straightforward experience, while still providing the security and ownership benefits of self-custody. With RockWallet, you can buy crypto using supported payment methods like debit cards, credit cards, or bank transfers where available. You can also securely store your digital assets, swap one cryptocurrency for another, and even sell your crypto directly within the app, making it an all-in-one solution for everyday crypto users. Now, before we continue, if you're interested in trying out RockWallet for yourself, you'll find a link in the description below. As for the company behind it, RockWallet is developed by RockWallet LLC. The wallet itself is built on the trusted open-source codebase of BRD Wallet, one of the earliest and most respected mobile crypto wallets that served millions of users for years. RockWallet has taken that proven foundation and expanded it with modern features like integrated buying, selling, and swapping, while continuing to focus on security and ease of use. The app is available on both iPhone through the Apple App Store and Android through the Google Play Store, so getting started is easy regardless of which platform you use. Ultimately, RockWallet's main promise is simple: give users the benefits of true self-custody without the steep learning curve that often comes with managing cryptocurrency. You stay in control of your assets, while the app keeps the overall experience approachable, even if you're completely new to crypto. Now that you have a better understanding of what RockWallet is, let's take a closer look at its main features and what you can actually do with the app. The first and arguably most important feature is self-custody. As we discussed earlier, RockWallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you own your private keys and have complete control over your crypto. The company can't access your funds, freeze your wallet, or move your assets on your behalf. You're in full control, giving you true ownership of your digital assets. Next is the ability to buy cryptocurrency directly within the app. Depending on your region, RockWallet allows you to purchase supported cryptocurrencies using payment methods like debit cards, credit cards, or ACH bank transfers. This makes it much easier for beginners, since you don't have to buy crypto on one platform and then transfer it to your wallet manually. If you ever want to cash out, RockWallet also lets you sell supported cryptocurrencies directly through the app in eligible regions. Instead of moving your assets to another service first, you can convert your crypto back into your local currency through the available payment providers, making the process much more convenient. Another useful feature is crypto swapping. Rather than sending your funds to a separate exchange, RockWallet lets you swap one supported cryptocurrency for another without leaving the app. Whether you're rebalancing your portfolio or simply exchanging one asset for another, the process is designed to be quick and straightforward. The app also includes a portfolio dashboard, where you can easily keep track of all your holdings in one place. You can view your crypto balances, monitor the current value of your assets, and get a clear overview of your portfolio without jumping between multiple apps. Finally, let's talk about security, because that's one of the biggest reasons people choose a self-custody wallet in the first place. During setup, you'll receive a recovery phrase that can restore your wallet if you ever lose your device. The app also supports PIN protection and biometric authentication, such as Face ID or fingerprint unlocking, for an extra layer of security. On supported devices, your private keys are also stored using the phone's secure hardware, helping keep them protected from unauthorized access. When you put all of these features together, RockWallet offers a solid balance between security, convenience, and ease of use, making it especially appealing for people who want full control of their crypto without dealing with an overly complicated wallet. Now that we've covered what RockWallet offers, let's jump into the app itself, and I'll show you exactly how to set everything up and navigate through its main features. To get started, use the link in the description below to visit the official RockWallet download page. From there, simply choose whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, and you'll be redirected to the appropriate app store. Install the app, and once it's finished downloading, tap Open to launch RockWallet. When you first open the app, you'll have the option to either log in if you already have an account or create a new one. Since we're setting it up from scratch, tap Create an Account. The first step is entering your email address. After tapping Continue, RockWallet will send a verification code to your email. Simply enter that code to verify your account. Next, the app will guide you through setting up a passkey, which is used to securely protect your account. Tap Continue, choose your preferred passkey method. In my case, I'm selecting a pattern, and once it has been created successfully, tap Continue again. After that, you'll be asked to enter a nickname for your account. Type in any nickname you'd like, and continue to the next step. You'll then be asked to select your location. Simply choose your country and, if required, your state or region. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue. Your account is now created, and RockWallet will take a few moments to generate your wallet. Once that's complete, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. At first, you'll notice that your portfolio is empty, which is completely normal for a brand new wallet. You'll also see that your account starts at level 1. If you tap Unlock Level 2, you'll be able to complete identity verification by confirming your identity, taking a quick selfie, and answering a few verification questions. Upgrading to Level 2 unlocks additional features and higher transaction limits. I'll go ahead and complete that verification, and once it's finished, we can explore the rest of the app. Now that we're on a verified Level 2 account, let's take a quick tour of the interface. The dashboard is very clean and beginner-friendly. Since I haven't added any funds yet, my portfolio balance is currently 0. But once you buy or receive crypto, your total portfolio value will be displayed right here. Right on the home screen, you'll find the Buy Crypto option. Tapping it lets you choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase. For example, if I select Bitcoin, RockWallet will ask me to add a payment method. In supported regions, you can use a debit card, credit card, or other available payment methods. After adding your card, simply enter the amount you want to purchase, let's say $100, and the app will show you approximately how much Bitcoin you'll receive before you confirm the transaction. Back on the main screen, you'll also notice the swap and sell options. Swapping allows you to exchange one supported cryptocurrency for another directly within the app, while the sell option lets you convert supported crypto back into your local currency where that service is available. Since this wallet is currently empty, I can't demonstrate those features just yet, but the process is very straightforward once you have funds in your account. Next, let's look at the Portfolio tab. This is where you'll be able to view all of your crypto holdings, monitor your balances, and keep track of your overall portfolio value in one place. At the bottom, you'll also find the Trade section. Here, you'll see quick access to buy, sell, swap, send, and receive. The Receive feature is especially useful if someone wants to send you crypto. Simply tap Receive, choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive, I'll select Bitcoin, and RockWallet will generate your unique wallet address along with a QR code. You can either copy the address or share the QR code with the sender. Just remember to always make sure the sender is using the correct blockchain network that's compatible with the asset you're receiving. If you already have crypto in your wallet, you can use the Send option to transfer it to another wallet by entering the recipient's wallet address and confirming the transaction. The Activity tab keeps a complete history of your wallet activity, including purchases, sales, swaps, deposits, and transfers, making it easy to review everything you've done within the app. You'll also notice a Banking section. At the time of recording, this is a newer feature that RockWallet is continuing to develop, so additional functionality may become available in future updates. Finally, if you tap your profile icon in the top left corner, you'll have access to your account settings. From here, you can view your account details, check your verification level, manage your preferences, and if you ever need to, you also have the option to delete your account. Overall, the app is very easy to navigate, and even if you're completely new to cryptocurrency, most of the features are clearly labeled and straightforward to use. Now that we've taken a complete look at the app and its features, let's talk about its pros and cons so you can decide whether RockWallet is the right wallet for you. Starting with the positives, RockWallet gives you true non-custodial ownership, which means you remain in complete control of your crypto and your private keys. The app is also very beginner-friendly, with a clean interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to cryptocurrency. I also like that you can buy, sell, swap, and securely store your crypto all from a single app, so there's no need to juggle multiple platforms. On top of that, it includes useful security features like passkeys, biometric authentication, and secure key storage, and it's available for both Android and iPhone users. As for the downsides, because it's a self-custody wallet, you're entirely responsible for keeping your recovery phrase safe. If you lose it, there's no way for the company to recover your wallet. It's also a mobile-first wallet, so if you're looking for a dedicated desktop application, this may not be the best fit. Additionally, certain buying and selling features depend on your country or region, so availability can vary. And finally, if you're an advanced crypto user who spends a lot of time using DeFi protocols or other advanced blockchain tools, you may find that more specialized wallets offer additional functionality. So, is RockWallet worth using? Overall, I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, non-custodial wallet that makes managing your crypto simple without giving up control of your assets. It combines the security benefits of self-custody with an intuitive interface, making it a great choice for both new users and anyone looking to move their crypto off an exchange. Of course, no wallet is perfect. If you're an advanced DeFi user, or you're looking for a desktop-first experience, there may be other wallets that better suit your needs. But for most everyday crypto users, RockWallet offers a solid balance of simplicity, security, and convenience. If you'd like to try RockWallet for yourself, you can use the link in the description below to download the app. It's the easiest way to get started and follow along with everything we've covered in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.